Hello, today we are going to do the Salesforce Developer NM Engineering project. We have get the topic of Revolutionizing Agriculture with AgriEdge and Manage Limited. Let us access the resource. Let us start the group project with our team members. Here is the description of our project. The description contains the scenario of our project, the three requirements for creating the user scenario, and we will learn 6 steps from this user scenario. Let us create the user scenario with the flowchart diagram of the triggered flow. Let us create the task with the label and the API name and set the field values for the task which is created for the order records, and let us create the update records for the as the order status bending with the names and set the field values. And next we have create the decision flow for the check inventory. One is stock available, another one is out of stock. Stock available is value when it is greater than 0, and out of stock is available when it is equal to 0. Get the records from the inventory decision flow, hence we get the output, that is stock is available, and hence our flow is end. The second task is the Salesforce credential setup. It has the description of the Salesforce developer account creation and then verification process. For the creation of the developer account, go to the website of https://developer.salesforce.com and fill the salesforce.com page with first name, last name, job title, company, country, work email, and active the I agree form for the sign upping process and click the sign me up process. Hence our developer account is created. Second is the account verification. Go to the inbox of our email. We have received the email for the verification of our account, so click the verification account in the inbox of our email. After verification, it will send the email for the reset the password and change the password and answers the security questions which is asked. Hence our account is verified and we will redirect to our Salesforce setup page after the account is verified successfully.
Hi guys, in this video we are going to see about data management object. These are the description to create custom object and fields. So first, AgriEdge order, AgriEdge order item, AgriEdge inventory and AgriEdge shipment. These are the 4 custom objects we are going to create in the data management object. Creation 1. These are the description to create AgriEdge order object. These are the instructions to follow to create an object. From setup page, click object manager, click create and click custom object. Enter these field name. In new custom object, we need to enter label name, plural name and object name must to enter. And then enter data type, display format as well as starting number. In optional features hello reports, search status, hello search and save and new. In object creation 2, create AgriEdge order object. These are the description. New custom object, a label name, plural name and object name has to be entered. Optional features hello reports. In optional features hello reports, click hello reports, search status, hello search and save and new. More object creation. Create remaining object as mentioned in the data management object. Need to create AgriEdge inventory and AgriEdge shipment has to be create as follow object creation 1 and creation 2. Fourth scenario is data management tabs. In this tab we are going to create object tabs creation. These are the description to create a custom tab for AgriEdge order. Go to setup page, quick find box tab, click new. These are the steps to complete the custom tab for AgriEdge order. Home page. In quick find boxes, search tabs. Custom object tabs near new. Click new object, select any tab we need and click next. Add to profile, keep as default and click next. Add to custom app, keep as default and save it. In more tab creation, the description is to create tabs for other objects as which we have created above objects. In object tab creation, we created AgriEdge order. So the same procedure will be followed for other objects. For AgriEdge order item, AgriEdge inventory as well as AgriEdge shipment, the same procedure will be followed for more tab creation also. The first, in quick find box, search tabs and select object, select any tabs we need, and add to profile, keep as default, and add to custom, keep as default, and save.
The fifth task is the Data Management App Manager. It has the description of application creation in Salesforce platform. For the creation of the Lightning app, go to the setup page, search App Manager in Quick Find, select App Manager, click New Lightning app on the right corner. To fill the app name in the app details and the branding, press AgriEdge and fill it in the app name as the AgriEdge and display the description, name, image and primary color X value. It is also should be entered into the app details and the branding. Then click next, add option page and keep it as a default. Click next in the app options. Similarly, click next in the utility items and keep it as a default. To add the navigation items, search the items in the search bar as the order items, inventory order, shipments, etc. To add the items, first search the bar and click the right arrow to add the elements in the right side corner. First, the order items is added into the right side corner. Similarly, the inventories is also added into the order items, and then the orders is also added into the right side corner, and then the shipments and reports is similarly added into the ordered items. Then select the dashboards right side and add it into the right side corner. Finally, all the items are added into the right side corner. To add the user profile, select the system administrator in the search bar and click the arrow button right side corner and finish it. Save and finish.
The module is data management field and relationship. This is a description of fields and relationship to create AgriEdge order item, AgriEdge inventory, AgriEdge shipment. These four custom objects need to be created in the data management fields and relationships. Description for creating field in AgriEdge order. This is the instructions to create and save this. Go to Object Manager and type AgriEdge order in the Quick Find box and select it. Select hookup relationship and then select count object and select label name and click next, then next, click next and save. This is the second field to create an object. This is the instructions. Select label values, next, click next, click next, click next and save it. Creation, create the remaining objects in the data management field and relationship. This is similar to field 1 creation and field 2 creation. Both the field creations will be followed for more field creation also for creating remaining fields for the object as mentioned in the data management fields and relationship about AgriEdge order item, AgriEdge inventory as well as AgriEdge shipment. These three data management fields and relationship will be created for this objects in the field. In loop and relationships, in select, choose the related object, field name, field label, click next and default has been, leave it as it is and click next and save it. This is the data management.
The seventh task is the data management field type. It has the description of object field creation. It consists of the four divisions. First is the formula field 1. In the formula field, we should go to the object manager in the setup page and click the search box for finding the AgriEdge order object in the quick find. Select the AgriEdge order which is in the object manager and then click fields and relationships in the left side of the object manager. Click the fields and relationships and then click the new in the right side corner. Then it returns to the new custom field. For choosing the field type, select formula data type and then click next in the right side corner. Then choose the output type, fill the field label as the discounted total and select the currency as the return type. Then click next to the step 3. These formula logic on the total amount field. Write the formula on the advanced formula and check the syntax for this formula. The syntax returns no syntax errors in this formula field. Text this formula field in the AgriEdge order object. It returns the discounted total value was the 90 in this CRD001 AgriEdge orders. The second division is the formula field 2. It consists of the description of creating formula fields. It creates the two or more formula fields on the different objects. One is the validation on AgriEdge order item, another one is AgriEdge order inventory. Click the AgriEdge order item in the object manager, click fields and relationship and click new in the right corner. Choose the field type as a formula in the custom field, then click next to choosing the output field. Fill the field label as the total price, then click the return type as a currency and click and enter the formula in the advanced formula page. Check the syntax, no syntax errors is found, then save it and move to the validation on upgrade order inventory. Return the select the data type as a formula in the custom field, click next to the choosing the output type field. Fill the output type field label as the stock status, then click the return type as the text and then click next to the advanced formula page. Write the formula in the advanced formula table, then check the syntax errors. There is no errors is written, then click to the next page. It returns to the page layouts, then click it, save. The third division is the validation rule. Validation rule 3. It has the description of creating object name. Go to the object manager, select AgriEdge shipment and then select validation rules in the object manager, which is in the left side corner. Select validation rules in the object manager and click new in the right side corner. Returns to the validation rule page. Enter the name as the order status change restriction. Make it the active as a true. Enter the formula in the advanced formula box. Check the syntax. It returns no errors found. Enter the error message as the tracking number is required before. King order as a delivered. Select the field as a tracking number. Save it. For testing process, create the AgriEdge order record in the app launcher. Click AgriEdge order in the app launcher and make the order status as a delivered. Navigate to AgriEdge shipment object and save the file without entering the tracking number in the AgriEdge shipment record in the app launcher. The fourth division is the validation rule file. It has the description of creating one or more validation rule for AgriEdge inventory object. Go to the setup page, select object manager. In the object manager, select AgriEdge inventory, select validation rules in the left side and click new in the validation rule page. It go to the validation rule page, fill the rule name as inventory record alert. Make sure that the active is selected. Enter the formula in the advanced formula box and check the syntax errors. No errors should be found and make sure that the error message is filled with message and make sure that the error location of the top page is select, save it and go to the app launcher and select new AgriEdge inventory. Fill the form with the name, stock quantity and reorder level and save the form, and it returns the output as the hit a snap format. The format is as follows. It returns the output as like this format.
Eighth module is data security roles. This is the description for creating roles creation in the data security model. For roles creation, this is a description for creating roles. This is instructions to follow the data security. Click save and new. Click quick find boxes. Search roles as a field name. Click roles under add role CEO below option. Create roles label. Add reports and click save and new. More role creation. We need to create two more roles, warehouse and finance team. Same step has been followed for more role creations. Sales repository to add roles and add label role and click next and save.
The ninth task is the data security profiles. It has the description of creating security profiles. It has two division. One is profile creation, another one is more profile creation. For creating the custom profile, go to the setup, search profiles and select profiles for creating the profile. For creating the new custom profile, select new profile on the profile page. For creating the profiles, enter the profile name as a platform 1 and the existing profile name as a standard platform user and the user license as a Salesforce platform. After entering all the details, click on save and hence our platform 1 profile has been successfully created and press edit in the platform 1. For giving access to the given order items, click on edit in the platform 1 and give the access to the AgriEdge orders under items. Click on AgriEdge orders, make sure the read and create access is enabled in the AgriEdge orders and click on AgriEdge order items in the object settings and make sure that the read and create access is enabled in AgriEdge order item. And we are able to see that the AgriEdge orders and orders items have an access of read and create in their object setting permissions, and hence we have given an read and create access for the orders and the orders item. Second division is the more profile creation. It has the description of creating two or more profiles like platform 2 and platform 3. Hence, the platform 2 is created. Click on edit properties in the platform 2 and click on object settings for giving access to the given order items. Click on AgriEdge inventory. Make sure that the read, create, edit access is enabled for AgriEdge inventory and click on account layout. Make sure that the read, create, edit access is enabled for account layout and click on AgriEdge shipment layout. Make sure that the read, create, edit access is enabled for AgriEdge shipment layout. Click on AgriEdge order. Make sure that the read only is given to the AgriEdge order and click on AgriEdge order item. Make sure the read only access is given to the AgriEdge order item and hence the platform 2 is created and the access is given to the given orders. Click on platform 3 and click edit properties for giving the access. Click on AgriEdge orders. Make sure that the read, create, edit access is given to the AgriEdge order. Then click on AgriEdge order item. Make sure that the read, create, edit access is given to the AgriEdge order item. Hence, we can see that the platform 3 has given an access for the given order item. Hence, it is created.
The module is data security user. In this description, you need to create user creation for data security. These are the instructions for user creation. We need to reset password for new user in the Salesforce. Change the password. In quick find box for sites user, click new user and enter these values: first name, last name, alias, email, username, roles, profile, license, and leave it as it is and click save. Verify the account and click reset password and change the password for the Salesforce new password and click change. For more user creation, we need to create two more users, user 3 and user 2 and user 3. First name, last name, username, role, profile, license as well are same in the user creation before we created for user 1. Same procedure will be followed for two more users. Fill all the labels and leave it default as it is and click save button. 11th module is data security field level access. This is the description for data security field level access. This is the instructions for given field level access to the users. In quick find box, find AgriEdge order, click AgriEdge order, find fields and relationship, click payment status and set field level security, uncheck platform 1 and platform 2. Platform 1 and platform 2 has to be unchecked and save it. Discount total and click set field level security. Same procedure will be followed for discount total field also and uncheck platform 1 and platform 2 has to be unchecked, and save it and click the save button. In fields and relationship, total amount has to be clicked, and here also set field level security has been checked. Here also platform 1 and platform 2 has to be unchecked, and save the total amount field level security data access. Find box users, click users, and sales representative has to be logged in. Next step, search login access policy in quick find box and enable checkbox and save it. We need to enable administrator can log in any users, that has to be enabled, and save it. 12th module, Apex/triggers and testing. In this description, we are going to use developer console for testing triggers and class. These are the instructions for create having Apex class. We need to create different programs in the developer consoles, Apex class as well as Apex trigger, or these two are the fields we need to create in the developer consoles. These are the programs we need to create. In home page gear icon, in that developer console, click new Apex class and add the name of the class and program file and save it. Save all. Again click new file Apex class and put the name of that class and program. Give a save all. Click file and save all. Same thing will repeated for all the programs in the Apex class and triggers. We need to create a file and say click OK, and then write the code in the Apex class or Apex trigger, and then click file and save all. They will, in instructions there will be a source code. We need to use that source code itself. We can use it. Apex class name OK, and then click save all. Same procedure will be followed for all the programs. This is Apex trigger class. File Apex class trigger and put the file name. Click OK and put the program in the source developer console and click save all. The same procedure will be followed for all the Apex class or Apex trigger program, and then click save all. First create the class and write the source code and click save. For Apex trigger, click Apex class, Apex trigger name as well as object name has to be selected. Then put the source code in the developer console. In file, click save. This is to create Apex class and Apex trigger program. This is Apex class text. These are the instructions we need to create for all the Apex class tests in the Apex class in one class. Create and then write code. We need to run test and check the status must be passed. Class must be passed, and the code coverage must be 75 to 100%. The code coverage must be there. Then only the program will be considered. And then run all. The code will be successfully run, and we need to code coverage for 100%, 75 to 100%. We need to new run and click run. Click
The last task is the automation. It has the description of automating the process using one of the automation tool, which has the call creation of the process builder. For creation of the process builder, go to the home page, search in the quick find box as the process builder to call the Apex classes. Click on the process builder in the home setup. Click on the process builder for creation of process builder to Apex Plus. Click on new button in the right side corner of the process builder page. For creation of the successful process builder, click the continue in process builder for try flow builder in the process builder page. For creation of the new process, enter the process name as order task creator. Click the record changes and click on the record changes and click on the save button for new process creation. To add the object, click on add object, select AgriEdge order object, click on only when a record is created and then click save. Then click on add criteria in the next flow and click on and fill the details with the name and the action. Set order field and conditions are met in the add criteria table and save. To find a field, select order status in the find field column. Click on order status for AgriEdge order and click on order status is finally selected. Then click on choose. The set condition field, click on new and click next to the process which is to be selected for the field and all the conditions are met. Click add action in the set criteria field of immediate action. Click on add action and click on select Apex option. Action name as a task creator. Apex is selected for the immediate action and fill the name and Apex class and then save the file. Then click activate button when the process is finished. The activate button is on the right side corner of the process builder page. Click on activate. Hence, our process builder creation is successfully created.